Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to my Topper Student channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of different question of OA level mathematics and computer science. Today we shall discuss question number 10 of paper 1 pure mathematics session by June 2023. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use the word My Topper Student. You will find the channel My Topper Student. For the online tuition, please contact on this WhatsApp number. For question number 10, the equation of a circle is x minus square plus y minus 3 square equal to 20. The line y equal to 1 by 2x plus 6 is tangent to the circle at the point P. Part A, show that one possible value of A is 4 and find the other possible value. Now we shall find out the other possible value of the A. In the solution section for part A, the equation of the circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus 3 square equal to 20. As the line is touched at one point, so we shall put the value of y in this equation. When we put the value of y in equation number 1, after simplification we get x minus whole square plus x plus 6 over 2 whole square equal to 20. After simplification we get 5x square plus 12 minus 8a into x plus 4a square minus 44 equal to 0. We know that when a line is tangent to the circle, it contact at one point, and for this we have p square minus 4 is equal to 0. The discriminant will be equal to 0. By putting the value of b, this one, by putting the value of b, by putting the value of a, and by putting the value of c, after simplification we get 60 a square plus 192a minus 1024 equal to 0. By using the quadratic formula and after simplification we get a equal to minus 16. So the first value is 4 and the other value is minus 16. For the part B, for a equal to 4, find the equation of the normal to the circle at P. Now we shall find out the normal equation at point P. In part B, the given equation of circle is x minus whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 20. As a is equal to 4 as given in the question statement, we know that the equation of circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square, the general equation of circle, and its center is a and b and its radius equal to r. So from the above equation, center is 4 and 3 by putting, and the given equation of line is y equal to 1 by 2x plus 6 as given in the question statement. As line is tangent to the circle, when use a equal to 4 in equation A, after simplification we get x minus a whole square equal to 2 imply x equal to 2. So in this case, put y equal to 2 as we have calculated in the above step, we get y equal to 7. So the point is 2, 7. The tangent point is 2, 7. We know that y equal to mx plus c, equation of line in case of the gradient. M is the gradient of the line. In order to find out the gradient of the normal, we shall take minus 1 over m. From equation 1, m equal to 1 by 2. From equation 1, m equal to 1 by 2. So the gradient of the normal is y minus y1 equal to minus 2 into x minus x1. After simplification we get y equal to minus 2x plus 11, the equation of the normal. Now in part C, for a equal to 4, find the equation of the two tangent to the circle which are parallel to the normal found in point B. Now we shall find out the two equations of tangent which are parallel to the normal. So in part C, the equation of circle at A is equal to x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 3 square equal to 20. So in this case, by taking the derivative so that we can find out the gradient of the circle. We get dy or dx equal to minus into x minus 4 over y minus 3. Gradient to the circle is x minus 4 over y minus 3. As two tangent to the circle are parallel to the normal to the circle, so they have same gradient. Minus x into minus 4, x minus 4 over y minus 3 equal to minus 2, because it have the same gradient due to the parallel. So after simplification, we get y equal to 1 by 2 x plus 1. Put y equal to 1 by 2 x plus 1 in circle. After simplification, we get x equal to 0 and x equal to 8. So when x equal to 0, we get y is equal to 0, 1, and when x equal to 8, we get y equal to 8 and 5 points. As m equal to minus 2, because we know that they are parallel to that normal, so by using the first point, the equation of tangent is equal to y equal to minus 2x plus 21. So two equation of tangent parallel to the normal is equal to y equal to minus 2x plus 1 and y equal to minus 2x plus 21. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by senior A-level teacher. Wish you good luck for your exam.